Hello, this is Mike with Clark County Plumbing. I'm at job site address 462 Province Drive in Camas, Washington. This is the post-video inspection after doing a sewer repair where a water line was bored through the cast iron line. We've installed two bullhead cleanouts, one going downstream, one going upstream. I'm currently in the upstream cleanout that is directionally going downstream. So I'm going to zero out the counter and push to the city main. Here's a transition from the 4-inch ABS we just put in to cast iron. Here's a transition from 4-inch cast iron to what looks like 6-inch concrete. Here we are at the city main, and some kind of obstruction. I can't tell if it's a root or a broken pipe coming in right at the top, but this appears to be in the city main. All right, I'm back at the clean out. Now I'm in the downstream clean out, heading upstream. I'm going to video upstream to the house. Here's the transition from the new 4-inch ABS pipe we put it into the cast iron. Here's a tie-in here. I don't know if this is for a bathroom or what, but there's a 4-inch Y here. Quite a bit of scaling buildup on the line, but other than that, the line looks good. So this completes our inspection.